Duolingo makes it easy to switch your base language. Want to learn in your preferred tongue? In this video, I will show you how to change your native language on Duolingo app. Let's get started. To begin, launch open the Duolingo app. Make sure to log into your account. Now you want to tap on the flag icon in the top left corner of the home screen. Now you want to tap on the plus button that appears next to the current course list. This brings up all the available language courses. Scroll through the list of languages. Now you want to select only a language you recognize. If you tap one you don't know, the interface will switch to the language, making navigation tricky. If you don't see your language, tap on the three-dot menu at the bottom of the list to load additional languages. Once you locate your native language, tap it. Duolingo will confirm the switch and return menus, course names and instructions to your chosen base language. That's it. Your Duolingo app will now teach and display content in your selected native language. And that's all for this video. If this helped you, tap like and subscribe for more quick Duolingo tips.